Hi, I'm Cynthia Fisher with the Curriculum Projects. In this video, we'll be going over how to convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions and get the right answer 100% of the time. Now, we'll be using our fraction printables. Our students have already been using these for several lessons, so they know both the values of the mixed numbers and the improper fractions. Now we'll actually be converting between the two using the same printables. If you want to hang out until the end, you can get access to these printables on our website. So the first example we'll be doing is 5 halves. So each of these sections is a half. We need 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's very easy to see that we've got 2 whole circles filled in and 1 more half. So the answer is 2 1/2. The next example is 19 fourths. So we go over to the page that has all of the fourths on it. And you'll probably want to laminate these if you have students who will be using them for a long time. We'll fill in 19 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now that takes a long time. One of the great things about this process is that students will quickly become very lazy. They'll start just putting dots on the page or even just covering up sections of the page with their hands. You want them to do that. It's perfect. Don't worry about them not using the printables if they don't need them. What we're trying to do is give them a very concrete way to always solve the problem and get the answer right 100% of the time. And then we want them to abstract this process at their own pace. Each student will hit that at a different time. So we've got 19 fourths on here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 fourths. Okay, so 19 fourths is the same as 4 and 3 fourths. Next question is 13 6. So here's my page with a 6 on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I've got 2 whole circles filled in and 1 6 left over. It's the same as 2 1/6. The next one is 25 eighths. So I've got, let's see, 8, 16, 24, and 1 more. There's another great way to use this to solve the problem. So it's the same as 3 1/8. So I know how to count by eighths because I already did that back in quarter 2. So it's very, very easy. Next question is 37 tenths. Again, we got 10, 20, 30, and 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is all filled in. So we've got 3 7 tenths is the same as 37 tenths. Okay, nice and easy. Always get the right answer all the time. All right, now we're going to go back and do it the other direction. Let's say that we're starting with a mixed number and we want to know what the improper fraction is. So let's say we start with 5 1/3. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/3. Okay, the question is how many thirds is that? All right, so we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 thirds. 5 1/3 equals 16 thirds. Next question, 2 2/5. So here's 1, 2, and 2 more fifths. Okay, so how many fifths is that? Well, 5, 10, 11, 12. 12 fifths. Next question is 6 4/7. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 more sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 4/7. How many sevens is that? Well, let's count by sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 sevens. All right. Now, this is great because students are lazy, which is great. In math, the lazier you are, the faster you're going to get tired of drawing on these and start to use your abstract thinking. You're going to think, okay, so there's 6 whole things with sevens in them. I know that 6 times 7 is 42, and then just add these on here. Boom. The student has figured out how to solve this problem by picturing it and being able to do it without having to bother drawing. This is how we use these to convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. You can get these printables from our website. One thing you'll want to do is probably laminate these if you're using them in a class, or if you have a student who takes a long time to go from the concrete to the abstract in math. The other thing that you can do is you can print out the mini versions of these, which have these same pictures very, very small. For students who really like to color the whole thing in, you want the spaces to be really small so it doesn't take very long to color it. And you can also access these from our online lessons. What you'll want to do is go to quarter 207 and go to math lesson number 1. Go to the hands-on lessons in there. You can find all the printables that you need. Also, when you make a new account, you'll get access to 3 lessons for free. And then if you want to do more of the fraction lessons on there, you can continue on with that. Quarter 207 covers all of the introduction to fractions. In quarter 208, the first couple of lessons, review all of that really quickly and then do more practice with fractions. And then starting in quarter 209, we actually add and subtract fractions and then multiply and divide them in quarter 210. So if you want to find the right lessons, you can go in there, just go to the catalog. You can find all the lessons listed out one by one. Thanks.